Hello Year 4, today in reading we are continuing our exploration of biographies and the use of inference. Let's look through the notes and biography of Greta again. So yesterday we watched a video of Greta giving a speech to members of the UK government. So I'd like you to pause the video, read through the biography again and look through the notes that you took. If you need to rewatch the video, please do. It's in the link for yesterday's work and it's also included here on your worksheet again should you need it. So pause the video and check those for me. Okay, so we've read through again and really made sure that we understand who Greta Thunberg is and what we've learnt about her. So, next, I've got a question for you that's going to require a little bit of inference. The question is, what effect has Fridays for Future had on Greta's life? This is the overall question we're going to ask. So to answer this, we need to read through the text. Does this question have an answer from the text? Is it explicitly answered? No, it's not. So, what can we use to answer it? Exactly what we've been looking at yesterday and what we're continuing to look at today, inference. So, we need to think about what we know about Greta. So you've looked through your notes and biography, but keep them handy because you will need them. So, one of the first questions I've got here to answer that question is what happened as the result of Greta's weekly strikes? What do we know for a fact has happened? Well, Greta has managed to get the notice of people. So people took notice. Young people, her parents, politicians, scientists, everybody who was aware of climate change, who cared deeply about it, was paying attention. So that's one effect. People took notice. Another question I could ask is who else has supported Greta's cause? Who else wants support from governments to fight climate change? The answer, again, scientists, young people, politicians, and even Sir David Attenborough himself. He is very interested in the conservation, that means protection, of the planet. The final question we can ask is where did Greta start her journey? Where has she been since? So, in the biography, we know that Greta was born in Sweden, so her home country. And since then, where has she been since? She's been all over the world to different countries, speaking to different governments and scientists, because it's really important when you're debating science to have people who study this for a living on side so they can explain things in more detail. Your task for today, Year 4, is to look through these questions. Bronze. These are our questions here. Remember, we're inferring these answers from the text. So, you've got multiple choice. How does Greta feel about protecting the planet? Look through the biography, watch the video, check your notes, and remember, there might be more than one answer in these. Silver. Your questions are to discuss the feelings and thoughts of Greta and why you think this is, and can you find any evidence in the text? So remember, this won't be explicitly said, but it will be inferred from how people have written things and how Greta has said things herself. So make sure you try and look for them, and if you can't find it, that's fine too. Just worth trying to show where you've got that information and idea from. Finally, gold. You've got very similar questions referencing the text. These questions should have somewhere where you have inferred the answer. That's really important. Show me that you can do that. And within the last 5 minutes, as with yesterday, the plenary task. What would you ask Greta if you met her? You might have several questions, and that's fine too. But let's consider, if Greta walked in, what would you like to know about her? Thank you very much for your time, Year 4. Stay safe, and we will speak soon. Bye.